Imagine a world where every move you make, every transaction you complete, and every choice you make is watched, analyzed, and controlled. This isn't a sci-fi thriller. It's happening right now, and it's all tied to two words: digital identity and central bank digital currencies. Welcome to the truth behind digital identity and CBDCs, the hidden agenda shaping our future. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this is not just another conspiracy theory. The evidence is undeniable, and it's already unfolding around us. Let's break it down. Digital identities are touted as revolutionary, a way to simplify and secure our online lives. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. These identities consolidate all your personal data, health records, finances, even social media activity into a single profile. Now pair that with CBDCs, government-issued digital currencies that track your every financial move. The result? A system where your entire life is under centralized control. And the scary part? This isn't a hypothetical. It's already happening. First, let's talk about the World Economic Forum, the WEF. This global powerhouse is aggressively promoting digital identities. In their 2018 report, they called it the future of efficiency and transparency. But dig deeper, and you'll see their emphasis on centralized data control. The WEF's partnerships with big tech and central banks raise a serious question: who really benefits? Now let's look at CBDCs. China is leading the charge with its digital yuan, tied directly to its social credit system. Yes, you heard that right. They're using this technology to reward or punish citizens. Imagine that kind of power in the hands of any government. And it's not just China. Countries like Nigeria, Sweden, and even the EU are rolling out pilot programs. But here's where it gets even darker. Top financial leaders are openly admitting their plans. Listen to this. Agustin Carstens of the Bank for International Settlements said in 2020, "With CBDCs, we will have absolute control." Absolute control. Think about that. When you connect the dots, the picture is crystal clear. These systems are being designed to centralize power and strip away our freedoms. With digital identities tied to CBDCs, governments could impose behavioral controls, monitor every purchase, and even restrict access to your own money. But it's not too late. We need to wake up, demand transparency, and push back against this encroaching digital tyranny. Alternatives like decentralized technologies and strong privacy laws are the key. And it starts with you staying informed and spreading the word. Subscribe for more insights, share this video, and let's fight for the future we deserve. Remember, the truth is our greatest weapon. Until next time, stay informed, stay free.